Which Indian Prime Minister has served the longest? Correct answer is option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the highest rank of the Indian Army? Correct answer is option D. Field Marshal. What is the meaning of white color in Indian national flag? Correct answer is option B. Truth and peace. Who was the first recipient of Paramveer Chakra? Correct answer is option C. Major Somnath Sharma. Who is the first Indian origin woman in space? Correct answer is option B. Kalpana Chawla. Which continent is the most populated in the world? Correct answer is option C. Asia. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in India? Correct answer is option A. Major Dhyan Chand. In which language was our national anthem originally written? Correct answer is option C. Bengali. In which year was the Kargil War fought? Correct answer is option D. 1999. When is National Doctors Day celebrated in India? Correct answer is option A, the 1st of July. Dada Saheb Phalke Award is given for contribution in which field? Correct answer is option D. Film. Who was the founder of Sikhism? Correct answer is option C. Guru Nanak. Which Sultan saved Delhi from Mongols? Correct answer is option D. Alauddin Khilji. In which field Amartya Sen received the Nobel Prize? Correct answer is option B. Economics. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Correct answer is option C. Dadabhai Naoroji. Which Ved is the origin of Ayurveda? Correct answer is option A. Atharvaveda. Who is the current Deputy Chief of Air Staff? Correct answer is option B. Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit. Who has been appointed as the new president of the World Bank? Correct answer is option C. Ajay Banga. Who holds the record for most 90s in his cricket career? Correct answer is option B. Sachin Tendulkar. Which is the boundary line between India and Pakistan? Correct answer is option D. Radcliffe. Which is the smallest state of India by land area? Correct answer is option C. Goa. Which is the second largest district in India? Correct answer is option D. Leh district, Ladakh. Who was the head of the village under the Mauryas? Correct answer is option A. Gramika. Which is the state animal of Gujarat? Correct answer is option B. Asiatic lion. In which district of Kerala is Anamudi Shola National Park located? Correct answer is option C. Idukki. Maini Bird Sanctuary is located in? Correct answer is option B. Maharashtra. What is the real name of Indian superstar Rajinikanth? Correct answer is option C. Shivaji Rao Gaikwad. Ranthambore National Park is located in which state? Correct answer is option D. Rajasthan. Who did Elon Musk appoint as the new CEO of Twitter? Correct answer is option A. Linda Yaccarino. Who is the new joint managing director of the HDFC Ergo General Insurance? Correct answer is option C. Anuj Tyagi.